Hi, I'm Cyclops, last of the Northbounders, attempting my calendar year yellow blazing vortex yo-yo of the AT in 22. Here to tell you the rules in Squeak's yard. There are 5 rules, of which my friend Mountain Goat here is going to tell you 3 of them because I can only remember 2 at a time. One is, don't poop in the yard. And another one is don't let the cats out. The cats really don't want to come out. They have it really good inside, but they think about it every time I leave the door open.
Which is a lot.
Almost leave the door open.
Almost every time you use it, really.
What are the other 3?
Where are you from?
Yeah, where are you from?
Where am I? I live in Riverside, California, but I'm from New Orleans. That's why I talk funny.
Right, that's the important part. So I'm Mountain Goat. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. And there are 3 more rules. Oh, don't do drugs with the neighbors.
Don't do drugs at all.
Oh,
Bar
no,
drugs.
no. Don't do the illicit kind of drugs like black tar heroin or like pills and stuff. If it comes from the ground, you can do it.
Right.
So long as you remember it's not legal in Pennsylvania.
If it's naturally occurring.
I don't think anything fun is legal in Pennsylvania. This is something that I learned
Rock sharpening, that is
farther
illegal.
south in Pennsylvania. That's certain, even if they're from the ground. Anyway, so
That's
don't do
3,
drugs
right?
with the neighbors. That's the 3rd one.
If you do drugs in Pennsylvania, what happens to you?
You get arrested.
Oh,
And
don't get arrested.
Don't get arrested.
Don't
right.
get arrested.
Oh, that's and then
There's one more, right?
there's one more.
There's one more that you have already broken.
So you should know this.
You should know this rule. It's
Already
the vortex
broken.
rule.
Oh, you can
it's
only stay 2
2
nights.
days. Yeah, but I was bleeding, and I'm